And today we want to offer to you the most beautiful gift we've ever offered to our Sparrows Club members. Look at this beautiful Sparrows clock. 2 sparrows standing over a nest singing. And in this beautifully sculptured base, we've inserted a clock. And not just any clock, an alarm clock. This alarm clock could wake you in the morning, not with that annoying, harsh electronic sound you're so used to hearing, but with a clock that will sing of joy, and then the chirping of a sparrow. Listen. Wow.